Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, power brakes, braking assist, Inside you'll find audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, first aid kit, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, overhead console, cargo area light. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.